Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to attack on our own MacBook or our own host machine in order to confirm that this deauthentication attack actually works and try to understand that if we get disconnected really from the network. So let me go into the YouTube and let me run some videos or some music in order to confirm that I have some internet connection, and as you can see I have one. So if I go to my Kali Linux and let me just try to make this a little bit bigger, or let me place this here. I'm not going to take this into a full screen mode because we may want to check on that YouTube thing once in a while. So let me call this aerodump ng, and I can see my BSSID and my station list right now. So of course I know my own MAC address. You can get yours too from running ipconfig or ifconfig depending on your own host machine. And the other way to do that is actually run some videos, run some files, and have some internet activity going on your own host machine, and try to spot the frames going up in here. So as you can see, I have started my YouTube video and now I see the frames going up in this station. So I believe this belongs to my MacBook. So I'm copying it and I'm going to replace the client MAC address with that one. So let's go over here and delete this client here, okay? And I'm going to paste this MAC address to here. And once I send these deauthentication packets, as you can see, I have frames and lost frames going up increasingly in here. So if I go back to my YouTube and try to connect to the internet, as you can see, it doesn't work for me, even though it's still trying to connect to the internet, and even though I think I'm connected to the internet at this point, actually I'm not. I cannot benefit from this connection, and even I lost my connection at this point. So this really works. You can try this on your phone, you can try this on your host machine or other computers or other devices in your own house. So let's stop here, and within the next lecture we're going to see how to decrypt the passwords of these routers and networks.